Hey there, health enthusiasts. Are you ready to embark on a journey towards a healthier, slimmer you? Well, you're in for a treat because today, we're diving into a 7-day high-protein, low-carb meal plan that's designed to jumpstart your weight loss journey. Welcome back to Nutritious Health News, the go-to destination for all things health and nutrition. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our latest videos packed with valuable tips and information. Now, let's talk about why you should stick around for this video. We all know that weight loss can be challenging, but with the right meal plan, it becomes a whole lot easier. This 7-day meal plan we're about to unveil is not just any plan. It's a powerful combination of high-protein, low-carb meals that can kickstart your weight loss journey like never before. You see, a high-protein, low-carb diet is all about making smart choices. By reducing your carbohydrate intake and increasing your protein consumption, you can boost your metabolism, control your appetite, and ultimately shed those unwanted pounds. On day 1 of our meal plan, we're starting strong with a delicious breakfast that's sure to kick off your day with a bang. We've got a mouth-watering omelette recipe that's packed with lean protein and healthy veggies. Trust me, you won't even miss the carbs. Day 1. In order to keep your carbs on the lower end, you are most often cutting out fiber-rich foods like whole grains, beans, and legumes. Therefore, we made sure to pack this low-carb plan with at least 30 grams of fiber per day, mostly from fruits, vegetables, and some whole grains and legumes. This ensures that you are still getting the nutritional benefits of fiber, like gut health and satisfaction, while keeping carbs in check. Breakfast, 355 calories, 16 g protein, 32 g carbs. 1 serving egg in a whole, peppers with avocado salsa. 2 clementines. AM snack, 238 calories, 7 g protein, 27 g carbs. 1 cup blueberries. 20 unsalted almonds. Lunch, 322 calories, 22 g protein, 11 g carbs. 1 serving salmon salad stuffed avocado. PM snack, 78 calories, 1 g protein, 11 g carbs. 1 flourless banana chocolate chip mini muffin. Dinner, 389 calories, 10 g protein, 36 g carbs. 1 serving white bean sage cauliflower gnocchi. 2 cups mixed salad greens. 1 tablespoon Caesar salad dressing. 1/4 cup chopped tomato. 1/4 cup chopped cucumber. 3 tablespoon diced avocado. Toss salad greens with dressing, tomato, cucumber, and avocado. Daily totals, 1,382 calories, 69 g fat, 32 g fiber, 103 g carbohydrates, 50 g protein, 1,565 milligrams sodium. Day 2. To keep carbs low today, we included flourless banana chocolate chip muffins made from oats, banana, and eggs, and swapped in zucchini noodles for regular pasta in tonight's dinner. To make sure you are still getting adequate amounts of both carbohydrates and fiber, we filled in the rest of the day with nutrient-rich foods like blackberries, edamame, and a serving of whole wheat baguette at dinner to sop up any of the delicious leftover juice from the scampi. Breakfast, 352 calories, 27 g protein, 45 g carbs. 2 flourless banana chocolate chip mini muffins. 1 cup raspberries. 1 cup non-fat Greek yogurt. AM snack, 62 calories, 2 g protein, 14 g carbs. 1 cup blackberries. Lunch, 351 calories, 28 g protein, 14 g carbs. 1 serving chicken sauté bowls with spicy peanut sauce. PM snack, 200 calories, 16 g protein, 18 g carbs. 1 cup shelled edamame, seasoned with coarse salt and pepper to taste. Dinner, 448 calories, 31 g protein, 34 g carbs. 1 serving shrimp scampi zoodles. 1 2-inch slice whole wheat baguette. 1 teaspoon olive oil to brush on baguette. Daily totals, 1,414 calories, 105 g protein, 125 g carbs, 33 g fiber, 56 g fat, 1,811 milligrams sodium. Day 3. Pork paprikash with cauliflower rice. Just a single cup of raspberries contains 8 grams of filling fiber with only 15 grams of carbs, which is why you'll see them often on this simple high-protein, low-carb meal plan. High-fiber foods tend to be more filling than low-fiber foods, so you're likely to eat less and stay satisfied longer, which is especially important when cutting calories to lose weight. Breakfast, 352 calories, 27 g protein, 45 g carbs. 2 flourless banana chocolate chip mini muffins. 1 cup raspberries. 1 cup non-fat Greek yogurt. AM snack, 262 calories, 8 g protein, 25 g carbs. 25 unsalted almonds. 2 clementines. Lunch, 351 calories, 28 g protein, 14 g carbs. 1 serving chicken sauté bowls with spicy peanut sauce. PM snack, 62 calories, 2 g protein, 14 g carbs. 1 cup blackberries. Dinner, 378 calories, 32 g protein, 31 g carbs. 1 serving pork paprikash with cauliflower rice. 1 serving roasted fresh green beans. Daily totals, 1,406 calories, 97 g protein, 128 g carbs, 43 g fiber, 62 g fat, 1,307 milligrams sodium. Day 4. Roasted salmon with smoky chickpeas and greens. In addition to being a great source of protein, which helps maintain muscle mass while you're losing weight, salmon is a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, essential fats that you must get in your diet. Roasted salmon is served over low-carb Veggielicious kale and chickpea, healthy carbs you can definitely still be eating, even when following a low-carb diet. Breakfast, 269 calories, 26 g protein, 33 g carbs. 1 cup non-fat plain Greek yogurt. 1 cup raspberries. 1 teaspoon honey. 1 tablespoon chia seeds. AM snack, 262 calories, 18 g protein, 32 g carbs. 1 cup shelled edamame, seasoned with coarse salt and pepper to taste. 1 cup blackberries. Lunch, 351 calories, 28 g protein, 14 g carbs. 1 serving chicken sauté bowls with spicy peanut sauce. PM snack, 78 calories, 1 g protein, 11 g carbs. 1 flourless banana chocolate chip mini muffin. Dinner, 447 calories, 37 g protein, 23 g carbs. 1 serving roasted salmon with smoky chickpeas and greens. Daily totals, 1,407 calories, 111 g protein, 114 g carbs, 39g fiber, 57g fat, 1,505 milligrams sodium. Day 5. Vegan pesto spaghetti squash with mushrooms and sun-dried tomatoes. Our high-protein weight loss meal plan includes fiber-rich carbohydrates like those from berries, white beans, and broccoli. Dinner tonight packs in 15 grams of protein, which not only helps you feel full but also may help with weight loss. Breakfast, 259 calories, 15g protein, 10g carbs. 1 serving low-carb bacon and broccoli egg burrito. AM snack, 218 calories, 7g protein, 20g carbs. 1 cup raspberries. 20 unsalted almonds. Lunch, 351 calories, 28g protein, 14g carbs. 1 serving chicken sauté bowls with spicy peanut sauce. PM snack, 129 calories, 6g protein, 14g carbs. A quarter cup hummus. For celery stalks, cut into stalks. Dinner, 442 calories, 15g protein, 50g carbs. 1 serving vegan pesto spaghetti squash with mushrooms and sun-dried tomatoes. 2/3 cup no-salt added canned white beans, rinsed. Stir beans into an individual portion of the spaghetti squash and sauce. Daily totals, 1,407 calories, 111g protein, 114g carbs, 39g fiber, 57g fat, 1,505 milligrams sodium. Day 6. Taco lettuce wraps. Yes, you can still eat cheese and lose weight. String cheese is a great midday snack, especially when paired with fiber-rich raspberries. The combination of protein and fiber increases satisfaction and can tide you over until your next meal. Breakfast, 269 calories, 26g protein, 33g carbs. 1 cup non-fat plain Greek yogurt. 1 cup raspberries. 1 teaspoon honey. 1 tablespoon chia seeds. AM snack, 128 calories, 6g protein, 22g carbs. 1 small apple. 1 string cheese. Lunch, 351 calories, 22g protein, 14g carbs. 1 serving chicken sauté bowls with spicy peanut sauce. PM snack, 180 calories, 6g protein, 19g carbs. 1 cup raspberries. 15 unsalted almonds. Dinner, 479 calories, 25g protein, 28g carbs. 1 serving taco lettuce wraps. 1 serving pineapple and avocado salad. Meal prep tip: save 1 serving of the taco lettuce wraps to have for lunch on day 7. When preparing the pineapple and avocado salad, set aside 1/4 of an avocado and half a cup pineapple before dressing with the vinaigrette to have for lunch on day 7. Daily totals: 1,406 calories, 91g protein, 115g carbs, 39g fiber, 70g fat, 1,170 milligrams sodium. Day 7. Zucchini lasagna. Lettuce takes the place of tortillas in our low-carb, gluten-free taco lettuce wraps. Stuffed with lean ground beef, jicama, avocado and salsa, and a whopping 23 grams protein per serving. This lunch will keep you feeling full for hours. Breakfast, 278 calories, 19g protein, 22g carbs. 1 serving spring green frittata. 1 cup raspberries. AM snack, 154 calories, 5g protein, 5g carbs. 20 unsalted almonds. Lunch, 431 calories, 25g protein, 28g carbs. 1 serving taco lettuce wraps. 1/4 avocado, sliced. 1/2 cup sliced pineapple. Combine avocado and pineapple with 1 teaspoon lime juice and a pinch of salt. PM snack, 62 calories, 2g protein, 14g carbs. 1 cup blackberries. Din.